How to fix HDD bad sectors on Windows. There are a few things you can do to try to fix bad sectors on an HDD. 1. Run Chkdsk. Chkdsk is a built-in Windows utility that can scan your hard drive for errors and fix them. To run Chkdsk, open a command prompt window and type the following command: Chkdsk affected drive letter here, /f for example. To check the C drive, you would type chkdsk c/f. The /f switch tells Chkdsk to fix any errors that it finds. 2. Use a disk repair tool. There are a number of third-party disk repair tools that can scan your hard drive for errors and fix them. Some popular disk repair tools include HDTune, SpinRite, Data Recovery Tool. 3. Replace the hard drive. If the bad sectors are widespread or cannot be repaired, you may need to replace the hard drive. It is important to note that there is no guarantee that any of these methods will be successful in fixing bad sectors on an HDD. If you are experiencing problems with your hard drive, it is best to consult with a qualified technician. How to mark bad sectors on HDD. There are a few ways to mark bad sectors on an HDD. Using Windows Chkdsk. Open a command prompt window. Type the following command and press enter: Chkdsk drive letter, /f/r for example. To check the C drive, you would type chkdsk c/f/r. The /f switch tells Chkdsk to fix any errors that it finds. The /r switch tells Chkdsk to recover any lost or damaged clusters. 3. Chkdsk will scan the specified drive for errors and fix them if possible. It will also display a report of any errors that it finds. 4. If Chkdsk finds any bad sectors, it will mark them as unusable. Using a third-party disk repair tool. There are a number of third-party disk repair tools that can scan your hard drive for errors and fix them. Some popular disk repair tools include HDTune, SpinRite, Data Recovery Tool. These tools can also be used to mark bad sectors on an HDD. Manually marking bad sectors. If you are familiar with the command line, you can manually mark bad sectors on an HDD using the following steps. Open a command prompt window. Type the following command and press enter: disk drive letter for example. To check the C drive, you would type disk C. The disk utility will display a list of partitions on the specified drive. Find the partition that contains the bad sectors. Type the following command and press enter: bad sector number for example. To mark sector 100 as bad, you would type bad sec 100. Repeat steps 4 and 5 for each bad sector. Exit the disk utility. It is important to note that manually marking bad sectors can be risky. If you make a mistake, you could damage your hard drive. If you are not comfortable using the command line, it is best to use a third-party disk repair tool or Chkdsk to mark bad sectors.